Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's look is going to be with all the makeup that I hauled in my last video, the TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Walmart and Ulta haul. I tried to feature as many products from that video in this video for a full first impressions, and I wasn't able to use everything, but for the most part I did incorporate a lot of those makeup items. So this is the final look that I came up with that you will see in the video. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy, and we are just going to jump right into it. Also, before you guys go, if you guys haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, and like the video because it helps me out. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so we are jumping right into the video. Don't mind my crazy hair, but I am beautified right now. So I already prepped my skin. I already hydrated my skin with my L'Oreal Hydro Genius Oil Skin Moisturizer, and I have not done anything else other than my brows. Those take me forever and a day to do them, and I hate doing them on camera, so you guys have seen me do them before, so I just slapped those on real quick. I am going to be using the Smooth and Protect Primer. I did to order a free sample, so I wanted to try this out. I am going to be trying to use as many of the products that I showed you guys in that last haul video. I've never used this one before, so kind of hoping that it smooths everything out. I am using my new mirror that I just showed you guys in that haul as well. I really like it. It's really good quality. And today for the eyes, of course, we're going to be using their Persona Identity Palette. And I showed you guys this in the haul as well. I'll try not to say that after every single thing that I say. But here is another look of the palette and the eyeshadows inside. Okay, so we are going to take Humble right here up top, and I'm going to use that to set my whole lid. And with that brush I'm going to use the new e.l.f. concealer brush. I would not use this for concealer, but I thought it'd be good to just slap on some shadow really quick on my lid. And I'm just going all over. And I think for transitions, I'm going to use this Charming color right here, this brown color, and just put that into my crease. A huge amount of kickback, which is nice. This isn't necessarily going to be a tutorial, you guys. I'm just using the products on camera, so it's more like a get ready with me. Just kind of wanted to see how they perform on the face. Let me know what you guys think. I was thinking about doing a new series because I don't know, I feel like all my videos are kind of like tutorials anyways. I do just try out makeup, but I still show you guys what I'm doing step by step. But I think I want to do dedicated, like more in-depth videos of tutorials of how to do eye looks and things like that, and like showing you how to apply foundation. So like more like a tutorial Thursday or something like that. Every Thursday could be a different tutorial on like brows, like really in depth though, like longer videos. I know some of you guys that watch me are more beginners to makeup, and because I know there's a ton of beauty channels out there that you could watch and watch tutorials, but I know some people that watch me, they don't know how to do like, you know, stuff step by step. So it'd be fun to just kind of sit down and show you guys step by step how to do things. Like every Thursday, tutorial Thursday or tutorial Tuesday or something like that. I'm going to take the Maverick color right next to it. And I just showed a couple swatches of this palette in my haul. Maybe I'll just do a dedicated video using the actual palette and showing swatches of the whole thing and trying to do more of a bolder look and, you know, using different colors in here. I think I kind of want a very bronzy look today. Not really using these, you know, more purpley orange colors, just more of like a smoky bronze. I'm going to go in with my Morphe brush, and I am going to take a little bit of this orange color, just a tiny, tiny bit, and put it in there as well on the outside. Taking a little bit. I'm going to go in with this darker brown. Okay, then I'm going to take, of course, my flat shader brush. I always use some kind of spray on my brush when I do this, so you guys don't have to, but I mean, the pigment seems pretty good, but I always end up spraying it anyways. So I think I'm going to take this Gold Digger color right here. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Oh, you guys, this color is gorgeous. Woo! Dang, girl, dang. 24 karat gold on my eyes. That is so pretty. And then I'm going to go in a little bit with this sassy color right next to it, you know, because I'm feeling a little sassy. And I'm just going to put a little bit in the middle part. You guys, it's so pretty. Okay, then I'm going to go back in with the brown shades and just blend that into the gold. All right, so I think that's good. Now, there are a lot of other bronzy colors in here that I would love to play with again, so definitely let me know if you guys want me to do another tutorial. These colors are just so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, I want to just seriously just keep applying different colors on my eyes. I mean, all these colors are gorgeous. There's like a bronze one. Look at that. Colors. This one right here is so pretty. All right, guys, so I went ahead and did my liner. I am going to pop on these Lily lashes right here. As you can see, I took them out already. And these, again, were only $9.99 at Marshall's, and a little lash adhesive sticker on it. I don't know, what do you call these? A lash helper? I don't know why I keep calling it a lash helper. A lash utensil, who freaking knows? I do have the new Temptations mascara that I bought as well from Maybelline, and I really wanted to try this out on camera. So here is the new mascara. Oh, it's like a really weird packaging feeling. So I'm just gonna throw some mascara on. I'm not a huge mascara snob. I don't really feel like any mascara really is like special except for my Urban Decay. Well, I guess I am a mascara snob then because I really love my Urban Decay version mascara, but any other mascaras, I don't really feel like just, you know, doesn't really do anything other than the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is good, but this one I'm just throwing on real quick. It's not bad. I'm going to use the top ones because the bottom ones look a little too dramatic for me. These do feel really nice. And they flare out a lot at the end, so I might have to cut that off too a little bit. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so I do have one side on. Let me tell you, these top ones are really, they're so thick, the band. It's really hard to even cut through. So I just wanted to show you guys on camera for at least one eye how I applied them. So I did have to cut the outside and the inside a little bit, and the band is pretty thick. So it is a little harder to work with. So I would suggest if you're a beginner, I don't think that you're gonna like these lashes at all. I even had a hard time with them, and I am not a professional lash wearer at all. I just put the glue on, and the band is, I just never worn such thick bands before. Which sometimes I do like a thicker band because I feel like it's easier to set on your lash than as opposed to a thinner band. But holy cow, this is like really thick. So I'm just taking the lash, little pink lash helper, and I'm just gonna let that dry for a second and take a little sip. So I just make sure I really coat the inside, and then I'm just gonna come straight down and set them, press them right up against. I feel like this thing's kind of hard to work with. Maybe because I'm not used to it, but I just used it to place it, and then I kind of just went in with my fingers and applied the glue. And I actually feel like my tweezers are a little bit more helpful. And I just kind of pressed it in. And then see how it's kind of flaring out a little bit? I did cut a little bit off as well because the other one was just going right off. So I'm going to cut a little bit of this. Okay guys, so I really had to adjust these a lot, but they're still really pretty on. They're just a little too dramatic for me. This is kind of hard to work with because you can't really see what you're doing, and maybe because I'm just not used to it, but I don't know if beginners, I don't know. I just feel like my tweezers work a little bit better, but it was free with the kit, so you know, not bad. Let's go ahead and move on to the face because this is taking a lot longer than I anticipated it to, so let's just move along. Now for foundation, I do want to use the Lorac one that I found. I'm hoping that the color is not too dark, and I have not used this, so probably trying a new foundation when I'm going out is not the greatest idea, but you know, we're just gonna roll with it. So the sponge, I already got it wet. This is my Maybelline sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this all over our face. I don't even know how much or how thick. I didn't even go online to read claims, so we're just winging it, guys. And let's start blending. So this is just with one layer. It doesn't look bad, but I almost feel like I might get better coverage with a brush. So I might just switch over to a brush really quick to see the difference in the coverage, because the sponge sometimes, you know, coverage looks better with a brush as opposed to a sponge. I'm hoping that it's giving me a little bit of dewy feel, but I'm hoping with powder it might look a little bit better. Because right now I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's very tacky feeling. It says that it's natural performance, oil-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free. And it says that it's a natural performing foundation that gives you picture-perfect coverage that lasts all day. And it's supposed to protect, nourish, and smooth your skin. So I'm going to move on to concealer. I don't have any new concealer, so I'm going to go ahead and just use my Tarte concealer. I don't know, guys, I don't know if I like this sponge. I almost feel like it's like not blending everything out. It's almost like it's too bouncy and isn't really like picking anything up. Maybe with a different foundation, but I just feel like it's not really blending. It's weird. All right, moving on to powder underneath my eyes. I am gonna use my Fit Me powder to try to, you know, change it up a little bit, 'cause I'm always using my Laura Mercier one. All right, so moving on to bronzer. I use my MAC bronzer. This is in the color Matte Bronze. Just lightly, because my skin looks really dark right now on my face already. Oh, actually, duh. I'm gonna use the new Tantalizer bronzer in here. And maybe we'll contour just a little bit with it, because I want to see how well it works. Just a little bit. So I don't have a new blush, so I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my LA Girl blush. This is in the color Just Playful. Spray my face, and then I am going to go in with the highlighter in the palette that I bought. And then going in with the same palette, my M509 highlighting brush, and I'm just going to go in on the highlighter side. Subtle highlight, but it is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Back into the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do my lower lash line really fast. I know this video is starting to get really long. I feel like I've been sitting here for an hour. Through this really quick. I'm just taking those brown colors that we put in our crease. So this one and this one. Going in with the two top colors for the lid, I am going to put that into my inner crease. More probably the sassy color, and just, or give me like a little inner corner pop. The color though, damn. Use that for a highlight, like no joke. I'm going to put a little bit in my brow bone area too. Alright guys, so last but not least is the lippy. I am going to be using a Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper by Milani, and this is in the color Soft Rose. Alright, so this is the final look. You guys, I really love everything that I got from my haul video. Everything I used today was absolutely stunning. The foundation actually even looks nice with all of my makeup on. So I'm hoping throughout the night it lasts and it says, you know, and it continues to look good. This palette though, right here, if you have not bought it, I hope that you bought it when it was on sale because I don't think I would pay $32 for it, but it's such a good palette. The colors in here are amazing. This gold color that I have all over my lid, it is absolutely stunning. And this sassy color up here, oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It just gives you such a beautiful glow. I'm so glad that I bought this. Everything else I really enjoyed. I love this Milani lip plumper. Like I said, it's not like a huge tingling feeling on the lips, which I like because I don't like when it's really, you know, too tingly feeling and it just feels like it hurts when you're wearing it. The foundation looks great. I really like this bronzer and highlight duo. I think it's awesome for only $7.99. The mascara, like I said, I don't really think anything, like, it wasn't like, oh my god, this is an amazing mascara, but it wasn't bad. I liked it. The only thing I think that I was a little bit about was the sponge. I had a hard time using it. Maybe because it was just a little bit dried out. I would have liked it a little bit better, but I almost feel like it's too bouncy. I don't know if that's like, you know, a thing or not, but I just felt like it wasn't absorbing anything. It just was kind of pushing stuff around. So I don't know. I'm going to try it with other foundations and concealers and see if it works better, but I'm not so far a huge fan of the Maybelline sponge. And then as far as the lashes go, I love the lashes. They're so gorgeous. And this little set, again, this was a little bit hard for me to work with, but maybe because I have not ever used one before. I did have to cut the lashes down quite a bit, but they are really pretty. And, you know, I probably will definitely wear them again out. These are not lashes that I would wear on an everyday basis, but they are really fun and dramatic to wear out. So, you know, they're good for $9.99. Yeah, I think that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry, it's probably going to be a lengthy one. I'm going to try to cut it down for you guys. So make sure to like this video if you guys enjoyed what you watched, and let me know if you guys want more hauls. I love going to TJ Maxx and finding good deals and Marshalls and things like that. So maybe I will try to go back and find more things for you guys and try them out so that if they're at your local store, you'll know that they're actually worth buying even though they're like $7 or $8. So let me know if you guys want me to hit it up again. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon.